Welcome to the Common Sense Robotic Department. So this robot, it runs entirely on solar power, and if you see right when I lift it up, it just starts moving. We envision an entire robotic future for common sense. This is just the beginning. And it's entirely solar power. If I covered this part, see, it stopped. We are extremely advanced. We're working to perfect drone planting. Drone planting is where the drone does all the planting. Pretty sure it can see the future. Flipping is complicated. It's a work in progress. Follow me for today's experiment. Up here. Oh man. One day, common sense will be run entirely by robots.